Hello friends, welcome back to TootsCorner.com videos. Today let's see cucumber and tomato salad for flat belly. A refreshing, hydrating salad that aids digestion and helps reduce belly bloating. Ingredients: 1 medium cucumber, low in calories, hydrating and rich in antioxidants to support digestion and reduce bloating. 1 medium tomato, rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping to boost metabolism and support fat burning. 1/4 red onion, helps promote digestion and boosts metabolism while being low in calories. 1 tablespoon olive oil, healthy fats that support digestion and metabolism. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, helps flush out toxins, supports digestion and boosts metabolism. Salt and pepper for taste and digestion. Fresh herbs, optional, such as parsley or mint, adds freshness and digestive benefits. Instructions: prepare veggies. Slice the cucumber and tomato. Thinly slice the red onion. Mix ingredients in a bowl. Combine the cucumber, tomato and onion. Dress the salad. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add fresh herbs if desired. Toss and serve. Gently toss everything together and enjoy immediately as a light, refreshing meal. Why it's great for a flat belly? This salad is low in calories, packed with water-rich vegetables, and contains metabolism-boosting ingredients like lemon and olive oil. It helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, and promotes a flat belly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.